just a breath away, losing my faith today.
Falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the haze. It's just another war, just another family torn.
Falling from my feet today.
Just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Save me now.
I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me.
Just in time.
I've gotta fight today to live another day, speaking my mind today.
My voice will be heard today.
I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man.
I'm not superhuman.
My voice will be heard today. It's just another war, just another family
My
torn.
voice will be heard today.
It's just another kill. The countdown begins to destroy ourselves. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Save me now.
I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. Save my life. Just in time. Save me just in time. Save me just in time. Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive? We're in the fight of our lives.
When I'm ready to die.
Who's gonna fight for the weak? Who's gonna make them believe? I've got a hero. I've gotta fight for what's right. Today I'm speaking my mind. If it kills me tonight, a hero's not afraid to give his life. A hero's
go,
gonna
go.
save me just in time.
Go, 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 go.
I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero.
Go, 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 go. Move to the tank gas. Move to the tank gas. Go, 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 go. Go, go, yeah, yeah, go, go.
Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive? Who's gonna fight for the weak? Who's gonna make them believe? I need a hero. I need a hero. A hero's gonna save me just in time.
I'm giving up on society, up on my family, up on your social disease. I'm giving up on the industry, up on democracy, done with all your hypocrisy.
Move, move, move forward, move forward, move, move, move. Go, go, go.
I'm giving up on the media feeds, my hysteria, sick of living down on my knees. I'm giving up on morality feeds, my brutality. Fuck what you think about me.
Go, 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 go. Okay, take it for having.
I'm